Hey, what's going on Facebook? It's your boy, Mr. Rakeem Madison, coming at you with another important, valuable live. All right, so as you guys are jumping on, let me know in the comments where it is you're watching from. Also, go ahead, if you're on live, go ahead and do me a hashtag live, or if you're watching the replay, go ahead and do me a hashtag replay down below in the comments. All right, so today I'm here. I'm on top of this, pretty much this little hill right here. I just left the gym, got an amazing workout, worked this amazing body out, as I always say, because most importantly, you know, besides the message for today, never let anybody tell you what's possible for you. Okay. Now let's kind of get into the message today. I don't want to make this live too long, but I do want to make it valuable because, you know, for the people who've been in business for, you know, quite some time. They've been trying to get their Facebook thing going. They've been trying to get their YouTube stuff, you know, just all around platforms, whatever your platform you're on. It's very important that you understand that data is going to be the key to you getting the results that you're looking for inside of your business. So hopefully everybody can hear me and see me clearly. I know sometimes my phone will do a little something where it's just like really acting up, or Facebook will be showing me blurry or whatever they do. But if you're not monitoring your data, you're never going to get the results that you want. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So if you are making posts on Facebook, maybe your leader or somebody who, you know, just trying to mentor or coach you has told you to be consistent, and your take on that is to just keep putting out Facebook posts, or keep putting out YouTube videos, or keep putting out, you know, doing Facebook lives or whatever, right? The thing is, if you're not monitoring your data, if you're not if you're not the person who's paying attention to when you put a post out, are people responding to your post? Because most importantly, the most important thing that you need in business is an audience. Not just an audience, but a targeted audience. So if you're just putting out content to people who have no interest at all in what you're doing, guess what results you're gonna get? Goose egg, right? You're gonna get a goose egg results every single time. So how do you win? You start to monitor. Okay, I put this post out about this time and I got a nice response, right? So now you want to record that data. This is just me giving you the like what I do. So if I put a post out at, I don't know, 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning or whatever, I look, oh, okay, I got a lot of response. So I know tomorrow, right, or the next day, I'm going to come and I'm going to do another post around that same time, so I can keep that high response and I can keep my algorithm, keep the algorithm working in my favor. So one thing you got to understand about Facebook, and this is just something that I noticed, right, and just, you know, just doing Facebook and paying attention to things, is, let's say for instance you were getting the same amount of people, the same people showing up on your Facebook lives, your Facebook posts. And then if you want to start getting new people, you have to go engage with other people. And I mean the people that are not constantly engaging with you. This is just what I noticed, because I commented on one person's post. It was a new friend that I got, right? And I went to comment on their post because I was like, oh, this is some valuable stuff. So I hit the love button, and then all of a sudden, like over the last 3 days, I've been seeing a lot of their content. So what happens is I engage with them. Now Facebook sees me as somebody who enjoys their content. Now Facebook starts to show me their content, and guess what? Since they're showing me their content, they now get to see my content as well. So what I started doing is really starting to engage with a lot more people, to bring them into my world, to let the algorithm give me more juice, right? And you know, and it's not just a matter of you going out there. Sorry about the noise, we got the motorcycle over there going. But it's not just about engaging and engaging just to engage. Like, if it's actual valuable content, like, I'm engaging with that content, you know what I mean? So it's very key to pay attention to your data. Let's see what we got going on. What's going on, Rashawn? What's up, Rico? Good to see you, man. Rico is watching. What's up, Tim? Good to see you, my man. What's up, Ricky? Thanks for dropping by. What's up, Caleb? Timothy says, good word. Appreciate it, man. Caleb says, what it do, what it do, what it do. What's good, man? What's good? What's going on, Vincent? Good to see you. What's going on, Barajas? Good to see you, man. It's been a long time, man. We should definitely catch up. So, yeah, guys, once you understand, like, once you start to track your data, because the first thing I do, kind of tying back to what I was talking about earlier, is once I see something get some response, I write that time down. Because on Facebook, you can click on, like, it's like a little symbol up at the top. If you click on that, it'll show you the actual time. So then I timestamp it, and then I say, okay, I'm gonna make that post. And then the thing that a lot of people are not willing to do, okay, this is the thing that a lot of people are not willing to do. And this is where the money is, all right? This is where the money is. When you start to build that audience, you start to see, oh, you're getting 30 likes per post, or 40 or 50 or 100. There's some people that I know personally that get 100 to 300 likes per post, and a lot of people engaging, right? But where the money is when you start to actually build a relationship with those people, right? Let me kind of give you an idea of kind of what I do. This is kind of my secret on how I do it. Don't tell too many people, but this is my secret. So I build an audience, boom, 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 boom. I start to get 30, 40, 50 likes, you know, here and there. But the money is where you start to have a conversation with those people, okay? And notice I didn't say pitch those people. I said conversation with those people. So find out how's their day going so far, right? Find out how's their day going. They may tell you how their day going, then you talk about how your day going, right? You find out things about them, right? Because in the midst of you having a conversation, do you understand what's going to happen? In the midst of you having a conversation, you're going to start to find out things that they may struggle with. Now, if they're in business, guess what? If they're in business, then you're going to be able to help them solve their problem, right? Especially if you know how to have a conversation with those people so you can get the money that you're looking for, right? Because that's what it's going to lead to. That's where the money is. What's going on? What's going on, Nisha? Good to see you. What's going on, Jennifer? Thanks for stopping by. What's going on? Jennifer says, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, Judy? Good to see you. Judy says, why do your eyebrows look like that? I don't know. I don't know. What's going on, Tiani? Good to see you. Tiani says, get off live and call your kids. Yes, I was going to call them. I'm just getting from the gym. Just wanted to do a live. But yeah, guys, just wanted to hop on, share some value with you guys. Just got out of the gym. Thought I would just stop on the hill, and I'm headed back to the room now. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you got some value from today, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next live video. Peace.